How to delete Pinterest account permanently. So go ahead and open up your Pinterest application. Tap on your profile icon here on the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the three dots icon on the top right and then choose Settings. Go to Account Management. In here, you'll be able to see the option to delete your data and account. So just click on that. Now, it will say that they will send an email to the email that you used for your Pinterest account for the final step. So just click on Continue. Then it will ask you to select an option to answer the question on why you're leaving the Pinterest. Just choose one and tap on the Send Email button. After that, open your email, then tap on the email from Pinterest. Tap the button that says Yes, Delete Account, and after that, your Pinterest account should now be deleted. So that is how to delete Pinterest account permanently. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.